Students, in this video we will be seeing the characteristics of parallel resonance circuit. Then these are some of the characteristics of parallel resonance circuit as we have listed for series resonance circuit. Then this is a frequency response, and next we will have some problems on this. So what are the characteristics of parallel resonance circuit? What all happened to the parallel resonance circuit at resonance? Those all points we are going to list here. Z at resonance is minimum. Z at resonance is maximum here if you compare that one with the series resonance circuit. So as Z is maximum, the current I naught is equal to V by Z, what we are taking, that also becomes minimum here. As Z is maximum, I naught is going to be minimum. It was maximum in case of series resonance circuit. Then power factor will be also unity for this. As current at resonance is minimum, it is called anti-resonance circuit or rejector circuit, which I have explained you in the previous video. Impedance Z at resonance is called dynamic impedance. It was same thing for series resonance circuit also. These are some of the points we can list as a characteristics of parallel resonance circuit. Then coming to the frequency response of parallel resonance circuit. It is exactly the reverse of what we have drawn for series resonance circuit. You can observe here at a resonant frequency, what is frequency response curve? Frequency versus the current. For different frequencies, what is the current we are getting from the circuit, or what is the current flowing in the circuit? So at F0, that is resonant frequency, the current is going to be minimum, you can see here. For all other frequencies below F0 as well as beyond F0, the current is greater than that minimum value I0. So this is frequency response of parallel resonant circuit. Then we will be having some problems on parallel resonant circuit. So here is the problem which tells that there is 4 microfarad in parallel with 0.25 Henry. Means inductor and capacitor values are in parallel, they have given. Means this circuit is parallel resonance circuit. And AC source voltage is 9 volts. Circuit also has R value, C value, L value they have given, and they have told that L and C are in parallel. So we will identify this one as parallel resonance circuit. Then find resonant frequency. So all parameters are given. What is the formula for finding the resonant frequency of parallel resonance circuit is this? In that all value R, L, C, all values are given. Just we'll substitute and we'll get it. Here without unit, if you write F0 or a resonant frequency, it will carry no weight. So please, while doing problems, do not forget to write the units after calculations. Next problem. Anti-resonant circuit has. Anti-resonant means it is again a parallel resonance circuit, that you should understand. C value, L value, R value are given, and they have asked to calculate, and source voltage 100 volts is also given, which I have listed here. Voltage is equal to 100 volts. We need to find F0, I0, Z and Q values. In the previous problem we found only I0. Now other 3 parameters are asked. If we are perfect with the formula, there will be no difficulty in calculation because all the values will be directly given. So F0, again the same formula for a parallel resonance circuit, we got F0 is equal to which value? Then I0 is equal to V into RC divided by L. No need to calculate anything. All values are directly given. Just substitution and we will get the current value with the unit amperes. Again Z is equal to L by RC. LRC, all values we know. After calculation, do not forget to write its unit. Next, coming to Q. Q is L divided by R into root of 1 by R LC minus R square by L square. All values directly given as told before. Just substitute and get the value of Q. These will the common types of problems which will be asked for resonant circuits. Very simple problems. Only thing is you need to remember the formulae for calculation. remembering formula along with their units is very important. So this is all about the resonance circuit here. What all did we study in the resonance circuit is what is resonance we studied. Then types of resonance, then applications of resonance circuit we saw, where in what field, in what applications we can use these resonance circuits, so we have seen. Then taking up the first type, that is series resonance circuit, we have done so many derivations, like derivations for Q, derivations for Z derivation for F naught. Derivation for F naught is very important, whereas F naught is the resonant frequency. What equation we are getting for resonant frequency for series resonant circuit as well as parallel resonant circuit. Deriving equation for F naught for both the circuits is very important. Then Q, Z, then voltages across each component and all we have done. Then in the characteristics we have listed, frequency response we have drawn for both the circuits, series as well as parallel resonant circuit. We have listed the formulae what all we had come across for both the circuits. Then we have solved some of the problems in the series resonant circuit. This is very important circuit, and we will be getting many questions of 5 marks as well as 10 marks on this resonant circuit. This is all about the resonance. Thank you.